Fatal familial insomnia is a rare genetic neurodivergent disorder affecting the brain and central nervous system. This disorder causes insomnia, dementia, muscle twitching, and more. This condition is either inherited or caused by a spontaneous genetic mutation called de novo. Studies show that 1 to 2 people out of every million are affected. It is diagnosed through a review of symptoms and measurements of vital signs that may suggest autonomic dysfunctions, especially high blood pressure, tachypnea, and variations in body temperature. It is also diagnosed through laboratory testing and a sleep study using polysomnography. No. This mutation affects the prion protein gene caused by a missense mutation in codon 178. Missense mutations are defined as a point mutation where a single base pair substitution changes a codon to one that codes for a different amino acid. The mutated protein causes the gene to become misfolded, which can become toxic. The folded protein is found in the thalamus, which is a function-regulating structure in the brain. The first image in this diagram shows a healthy brain before the familial insomnia takes over. The thalamus, the center part of the brain, shows normal functions. In the second image, it shows a brain with fatal familial insomnia, but does not show any symptoms. The purple and blue colors show the thalamus before the person experiences insomnia. The last picture in this diagram shows how the thalamus, purple and blue sections experience insomnia, hallucinations, and autonomic dysfunction. Because fatal familial insomnia affects the brain and central nervous system, this can lead to overactivity in the nervous system. Effects of this can be high blood pressure, increased heart rate, involuntary muscle movement, and feelings of anxiety. This condition will worsen over time and impair mental abilities, which results in hallucinations. Eventually, this condition will lead to death. Fatal familial insomnia can be present due to either inheritance or the activity of de novo, which is a variant in the sperm or egg of a parent. The gene variation, if not inherited, occurs when the egg and sperm form together for that specific child, not affecting any other family members. This diagram shows how the disorder is passed on. The top section shows one parent with a normal prion protein gene. The other parent has a mutated prion protein gene. The middle section shows the offspring of the two parents. Each child has a 50% chance of also having a mutated prion protein gene. This diagram shows autosomal dominant inheritance. You only require one mutated gene to develop this. The mutated gene causes the protein to misfold, which causes other proteins to also misfold. The mutated proteins build up in the thalamus. Treatment techniques include medications like gamma hydroxytyrate used to stimulate deep sleep, providing support for this condition. Though there is no cure, there is helpful therapy to maintain functionality. Progression of familial insomnia can become life-threatening due to how it affects the brain and body communication systems. Without the communication of the two, it affects how much sleep you're getting, affecting the nervous system, and will lead to death.